As we prepare to enter a time of quiet contemplation together, we think about this idea of prosperity. And we think about this idea of releasing worry. There are all sorts of reasons, it seems, to worry. Do you have worry in your heart today? Worry about the future? Worry about the past? Worry about the present? When we release worry, we open more to the divine flow. We open to the divine flow that's all around us all the time. So as we center ourselves today, as we release tension in the body, gently close our eyes, we can say, I release. And if you have a specific worry, you can say, I release this worry. I release that worry. Maybe see them as little bubbles. I release this. I release that. I release this. I release that. And when we release the worry, we make more room in our heart for the good. And the good is true prosperity. And true prosperity is not external. True prosperity is sitting beside you, to your left and to your right. It's sitting in front of you and behind you. True prosperity is the love that we have with each other. And as we release worry and fear and arguments and issues, as we release all of that, we come back to the knowledge that love is our space, our place, our prosperity. Let's take a moment and hold that thought that the love that surrounds us is our prosperity. And as we breathe in, and as we breathe out, know that the true prosperity in life is here. And for that, I am eternally and truly thankful. And so it is.